Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and today we're going to look at a 2008 Fleetwood Expedition 38S. This is a triple slide diesel pusher, full body paint. It's got the 6.7 liter Cummins engine in it. It's a 325 horse with 750 foot-pounds of torque. And I'm trying to avoid this sun for you so you're not absolutely blared. See, rear radiator here, 10,000 pound hitch on the back. We're gonna give it a full walkthrough. We're gonna give it a full interior and exterior walk, check out all the compartments, really see what this coach has to offer. So we did just take this thing in literally less than 15 hours ago, so it hasn't been clean. We just took photos of it, but it'll be a good chance to see what this coach looked like or how it was when it came in. See, batteries here, looks like they're all dated 2021. And then more 21, looks like chassis batteries. 50 amp power service in here. This tire is dated 3718, and that is a Firestone. The size of that Firestone is 275 70R 22.5s. Nice Alcoa wheels too. Dump station right there, outdoor shower, a couple flush areas. Then you got the back of the fridge and the potable water fill right there. One pass-through storage on this coach. You can see it's in this one. It's a bottom pass. See that central vac system right above that too. And then on the two opposing slides up front, are you shut? On the two opposing slides up front, you do have little pop-out storages that come out with it. And we're gonna need that ladder here in a second. Those are extra trim pieces for the flooring that has been redone in this coach. It's got a nice like laminate, linoleum, whatever you want to call it, gray tile look. Now, I am sorry, this thing's got a good amount of bugs on the front of it, but I got people wanting videos, and our detailers aren't here. 8,000 Cummins owning, diesel gen set. And one of the options on this coach was a protective guard. This one does have it. Being a little bit older, it has started to crack. It hasn't really decolored yet, but it does have some cracks on it. So it's doing its job. Get out of that sun. You do have an electric door awning and then an electric main awning that comes out with a push of a button, and it does have a wind sensor. I find this compartment funny. So it's an outdoor entertainment area. You can see your old school Jensen DVD player right there, a couple speakers. You do have a TV right here that will pop out. I don't think the previous owners ever used it. It's extremely dirty, and it's actually kind of hard to get out of there. You got to push it down a little bit. But hey, you have it if you want to use it. And then one other storage compartment on the other side with the little sliding drawer here, just like that other side compartment. There's that pass-through one. You can see tanks above that. And then this one dips down, not a pass-through, but gives you a little bit more storage back there. And then there's your furnace. And then finally your last two storage compartments. Now this is pre-2011, so it does not have diesel exhaust fluid. Nice big wide entry to the radiator. Get to the cooling system and engine oil. And then down below, like I said, 10,000 pound hitch. 7-pin right there. All right, let me go get that ladder. We'll check out the roof. All right, so starting up front here, you can see just barely a little satellite dome up there, local TV antenna, max force vent cover, a couple ACs, and then it does look like there was panels up here at one point. Whoever had this thing prior to us probably had 5-6 panels up here, all in this area. It looks like they took them off before we got it. Must be nice. But other than that, I mean, the roof looks good. I don't see any issues. You can see that awning does have a metal cover, which is nice. Couple slide toppers for everything. It looks good. No issues up here. I did also forget to point out on the rear here, you have 2 Zamp solar connections, which is kind of cool. I think they were added after the fact. That wasn't really a standard thing in this year range for this coach, but hey. All right, that's the exterior walkthrough. Let's jump inside. See how the interior looks. Now it is a little dirty. There is some, gotta give it a good bath. You can see a little bit of dirt and dust under that step, but manual step cover coming in. You got a couple light controls, but really all your controls are gonna be at the top right panel. But this is what you see right when we walk in. And then let me go stand in front of the bathroom and look forward. All right, so up front, we're gonna start here. You got a couple storage compartments, nothing too crazy. Little skinny one right there. Area for a DVD player right there. Oh, it's got an AC vent in there. Samsung TV, and then everything. Slide controls, thermostat, level testers, leveling jacks. Got to replace the generator start panel. And then your wind sensor and the actual awning controls are tucked all the way back in there. All right. So up here on the dash, it's a little dusty, but you got all your little side controls, lights, your retarder, your 3000 series Allison. It's going to be hard to see the miles on here, but 37,728.3, definitely hard to see. A couple visors up front, which are nice. Push button right here. And then it does have a little monitor for the backup camera, which is incredibly hard to see with this sun glare. And of course your old style Jensen generator start, radio off and on, and then some storage down below. Your front and passenger seats are both flex steel, they're both leather. They look to be in good condition, they're both power. Little fray right there, but other than that, leg extension for the passenger. And then same concept, driver's seat does have a little of that leather starting to peel off, pleather, whatever you want to call it. And then power seat down below that too. God, that sun. All right, so your first slide, we're gonna start on the driver's side. It's gonna be the couch and the dinette. Goes from there all the way down to right there. Does have a pull-out sleeper there. And it is meant for an air mattress, flex steel sofa here. And then you got your booth dinette. An option for this was the table and chairs. They did opt for the booth, probably so you can keep a sleeper on it. Nice pull-out storage there on both sides. And then your overhead storage, it never changes. Couple connected to each other. Same concept over the couch right there. Now here's my printout, give you a little bit of quick info on this thing. 69,995, 37,728 on the miles. There's your floor plan. And if you can pause it, if you want to pause it and read through all these specs, you're welcome to. And then finally, here's kind of all your features and specs. I did try to highlight some of the actual options I could find. There wasn't too many for this coach. All right, next up is your other slide. Slide has the other couch, the opposing couch, and kitchen in it. Another ultra leather sofa. It's a jackknife. Same concept once again with the storages. Day-night shades throughout this coach, as you can see right there. And then one of the other options for this coach was 22-inch oven with a 3-burner stovetop. So it's got that. Look at all these deep drawers right here. 3-burner there. Nice big oven there. Sponge drawer here. And you can see they always hide the dang water pump right there. And then a little bit more storage down below with another pull-out drawer. And then last but not least, down low in the kitchen, some more drawers and storage. Is this a connection access? That is, that's a connection access for the propane. Corian tops on the sink. It's a big topper. And the sink does look like it has an extension. Convection microwave, kind of interesting because it has the oven. All right, it's got a couple different ways to cook. Hey, Get back here. And then we have, of course, last but not least, in the kitchen is the 4-door reefer. Let's see, do we have the ice maker in the top left? We do. Now, as we make our way back to the bathroom and bedroom, you will notice we have a little door here. That is magnetic. We'll shut off the bedroom from the kitchen and galley area, and it will stay in place. So when we walk back here, shower on the right. Two-piece fiberglass. On the other side is the commode. Got a little bit of storage up there. Fan up above that. And then your medicine cabinet. Baby sink in here too, and then barely some TP storage right there. I know I mentioned it earlier, but like I said, the floor in this thing has been redone. It's got this like gray laminate throughout, and overall the install, it went pretty well. You can see those extra trim pieces it had. Now it's kind of interesting because they did stay with the brown in the bedroom. You know, they had the gray, so who knows. Everyone's different. Your last slide is in the bedroom. You can see those crown molding. You can see a little bit of overhead storage. It's not much. It's skinny, but you got some. 3 of those across. It is a 60 by 80 mattress. I don't think, let's see. It's a decent amount of storage, a little bit of storage. More so on the right side. And it goes decently deep back in there. Right. And right in front of this mattress is actually another little vanity. A little bit of storage, another medicine cabinet right there. Forgot to turn the light on. What the heck am I doing? And then 4 of these drawers right here. Samsung TV, all 19-inch in there. A soundbar back there. Doesn't feel like it. And last but not least, you got your full wall closet, an area for your TV, DVD player, game system, whatever. And then of course, combo washer dryer. Well, splendid 2000S. And then finally your wall closet. Oh, there we go. Generator start stop left of the bed there too. All right, now let me get these slides in and we'll check that out. And there we have it. Both your opposing slides up front are in completely. Look at that. Something's even accessible. Full accessibility throughout this coach. Even for the fridge, shower, bathroom. The only thing you got to do is if you got to jump across the bed to get to the closet or the washer and dryer, you will have to do that. But other than that, I mean, quite accessible throughout. You could even probably use that jackknife sofa, not the pull-out, of course, but the jackknife or the dinette if need be. So there you guys go. Hopefully you enjoyed. Give you a quick shot from the outside. If you have any questions on this coach, I'll put all my contact info in the description box below, cell phone, email, all that good stuff, including a link to our website down there. I try to shoot a whole bunch of these. Every coach that comes in, I try to do a walkthrough of. So if you want to hit that sub button, I'll be uploading quite consistently. And let's get out of the sun on the other side. A little loud over here. We'll get out of the way of that engine blower. So there you guys go. Thank you so much for viewing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something, and I hope you guys have a great day.